Hey friends, welcome to Dada's Kitchen. I am back again with one more recipe this time, which is Chicken Hariyali. It is a mouth-watering recipe which is quite popular in northern India and is best enjoyed with roti or some rice. This non-vegetarian recipe is prepared with juicy chicken marinated and blended mixture of mint leaves, coriander leaves, curd with Indian spices. Easy to prepare, let's get started. So friends, you may look at the ingredients section for the quantity that is required for this recipe. So friends, as a first step, I have taken some ginger garlic and I have blended them into a fine paste. I'm also making some green masala where I've taken some green chilies, I have taken some coriander, some mint leaves, some curry leaves, some chilies, and I've blended them into a fine paste here as well. So friends, once my masalas are blended, I'm going to take a pan, heat it up, add some oil, and then going to saute the onion for about 5 minutes. I'm going to also add some ginger garlic paste, some curry leaves, and the chicken. I'm going to simmer it for the next 10 minutes till the chicken is tender. So friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel before and if you're first time at this channel, do check out our recipes. We have a whole range of recipes that is appetizing and mouth tempting. You may like our recipes. I request you to please subscribe to our channel if you have not done it, and please keep supporting us. We work really hard and we just want to make sure that it's easy. Our cooking recipes are simple so that you can easily cook at home and don't have to spend extra money outside, and your kids would love it. So friends, now that my chicken has been cooking for 10 minutes, time to add the Indian spices. I've taken some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, some chicken masala, some garam masala. I am also adding some green masala paste which I have prepared in the earlier step, and I'm going to simmer the chicken for the next 10 minutes in a low flame. So friends, just in case if you have not seen our recipes, just to highlight, we have made some dum biryani style mutton biryani, we've made some tandoori chicken, we've also made some idli sambar, some butter chicken, how to make crab masala, some fish curries, prawn recipes, some barbecue fish for your guest, and some pizza and biryani recipes easily available and can be cooked at home. Do check out if you've not done that, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So friends, depending on your gravy requirement, if you want to have more gravy, you can add some water and cook it. I'm adding some salt and I'm cooking it for the next 10 minutes as part of the process. So friends, now that you see that the masala has released its oil, I'm adding some butter. This is optional. You can add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves. This will give real taste and flavor to your chicken masala. And that's about it. We have done it. Let's cook for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the fenugreek leaves goes well inside the masala and talks to each other. And your chicken hariyali masala is ready to be served. So friends, we hope you liked our recipe today and learned something new. We really thank you for all your time and all you friends out there and our viewers and subscribers who've been helping us and supporting us all this while. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you in the next video.